Welcome back to our second video. In this video, we are going to learn about the combat sports. In the last video, we learned about the martial arts, the types of martial arts, different martial artists, etc. In this, we are going to learn about the combat sports. Here I have some pictures of combat sports. We are going to learn few of the combat sports in detail. Combat sports. Combat sport or a fighting sport is a competitive contact sport that usually involves one-on-one combat. That means it is also known as a fighting sports, and here you all are given chances to fight and to win. In many of the combat sports, the contestant wins by scoring points than the other component by disabling the component. That means you all are given a chance to win and score point by defeating the other component. Component means the other person who is fighting against you. As I told you all, combat sports gives the contestants to win and score points and defeat the other component. Common combat sports we are going to see now. What are the common combat sports? That is mixed martial arts, boxing, wrestling, judo, fencing, kickboxing, sambo and sumo. So here are some famous combat sports where there is a fight between two people. They fight for the points, they win the points and defeat the opponent person. Now students, we are going to see the different kind of combat sports. The first one is the mixed martial arts. The mixed martial arts, sometimes referred to as cage fighting, is also full contact combat sports based on striking, grappling and ground fighting, made up from various combat sports and martial arts from around the world. That means mixed martial art includes all the type of fighting styles. It can be done as striking, grappling, ground fighting, boxing and various combat sports from all over the world. The best example of mixed martial art is the movie Sultan. You all can see there the different fighting styles, the different martial arts styles in the movie where Salman Khan is fighting against the opponent person. The second combat sports is boxing. I think I don't need to give you all any introduction for boxing because this is the game which all are very familiar with. Boxing is a combat sports in which two people, usually wearing protective gloves, throw punches at each other for good amount of time in a boxing ring. That means in this people who fight throw punches at each other for a good amount of time unless and until he is defeated, and that is called as boxing. Our next combat sports is also very famous, that is wrestling. Professional wrestling is a form of theatrical performance wherein an athlete portrays prize fighters competing in the matches with predetermined scripts and outcomes. That means unless and until the opponent is defeated, they are fighting continuously, and this is known as wrestling. We all have seen wrestling. There are many wrestling matches going on, so we know what is wrestling. Our next sports is judo, where this is also a common sport, a common martial arts sports. Now we'll see what is judo. Judo is generally categorized as modern martial art. That means it is a form of martial art. In last video we learned about martial arts, and in that video we saw that judo is one type of martial arts which has since evolved in compact and Olympic sports. That means not only the judo is not only used for martial arts, but it is also a kind of sports, and nowadays it it is one of the category of Olympic sports. The sports was created in 1882. That means judo was created in the year 1882 by Jigoro Kano. By Jigoro Kano, and as a physical, mental, and moral pedagogy in Japan. That means it was created so that people are physically, mentally strong. That's the reason the judo was created, and you all can see it in the picture. It is kind of a martial art, and you all can see two people fighting in it. Our next sport is kickboxing. Now students, we have seen what is boxing, where two people wearing gloves fight or throw punches at each other. So now we'll see what is kickboxing. Kickboxing is a stand-up compact sport based on kicking and punching, historically developed from karate mix along with boxing. That means it is a sport which involves kicking and punches, and it was historically developed from karate mixing with boxing. That means in kickboxing it is a mixture of karate as well as boxing. Kickboxing is practiced for self-defense, general fitness, or as a contact sports. That means it is practiced for self-defense, general fitness, and as a contact sports. So this is kickboxing. You all can see it in the picture. So students, in today's video we learned about different kinds of martial arts as well as compact sports. In martial arts we learn about what is martial art, that is, it is the art of fighting. It is also known as a compact sports. Then we learned about different types of martial art, which includes kung fu, karate, etc. Then we learned about different martial artists, the famous martial artists, which includes Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Then we learned about the compact sports, which includes fighting. Then we learned about different kind of compact sports, that is mixed martial arts, boxing, wrestling, judo, kickboxing, etc. I hope you all remember this. And students, martial arts or compact sports is practice with the guidance or with the trainer. So if we try to do it without guidance or without trainer, we might hurt ourselves or hurt other person. So always keep in mind that this martial art or compact sports are done for self defense or fitness, not just for fun. If we try to do it on someone, we might seriously hurt the person. So I hope you all remember and you all understood this unit. Thank you.